I'm Mukesh. I'm from AD's department. The topic I'm currently working on is digital legal advisor. Today, legal problems are common in day life. People face issues related to property, employment, family, cybercrime, and consumer rights. But many people do not know the law. Legal consultation is costly and lawyers are not easily available, especially in rural areas. Court procedures are time consuming. So, to solve this problem, we developed a digital legal advisor. Digital legal advisor is a web based intelligence system that gives basic legal guidelines to users. It uses machine learning, ML, and natural language processing NLP to understand user questions and provide relevant legal information. The goal is not to replace lawyers but to give early legal awareness. Statement of the program. The major problems in the existing system are time consuming legal consultation. People must visit lawyers or court even for small doubts. Lack of legal awareness. Many citizens do not know their rights and legal procedures. High cost. Legal services are expensive for common people. Limited access to experts. Rural and unprivileged area lack legal professionals. Problem statement. To build a digital legal advisor portal that gives quick, accurate, and affordable legal guidance using ML and NLP. Objectives of the project. The main objectives are to analyze legal questions using machine learning, to understand users' queries using natural language processing, to provide relevant legal information instantly, to make legal guidance accessible to everyone, to reduce time, cost, and confusion. Scope of the project. What the system includes: web based legal advisor portal, legal query analysis using NLP, machine learning models for classification and recommendation, easy to use interface. Target audiences are common citizens, students, people with limited legal knowledge, small business, and startups. What the system does not do: no real time court representation and no replacement for certified lawyers. Methodologies. The system follows these steps: data collection, legal acts, government's laws, legal FAQs, case documents, and data processing, removing unwanted symbols, tokenization, stop word removal, normalization. This improves accuracy. Next one is model development. NLP based ML models, CNN based approaches, margin based embedded models trained to classify legal queries. Next is web application development. User enters text or voice, system process inputs, legal advice is displayed, multi language support. Step 5. Integration and testing. ML model connect to web app, tested using multiple legal queries, ensured accuracy and reliability. Next is architecture and design. Architecture flow. User enter legal questions, input is pre-processed, ML, NLP models analyze queries, legal database is searched, relevant answer is returned, output shows as text or the voice. UML diagram used. Use case diagram shows interaction between user and admin. Class diagram shows structure of system classes. Sequence diagram shows step-by-step execution flow. Algorithm used. Originally used for object detection, here used for detecting signatures, stamps, text block in scanned legal documents. Margin based embedded model used for recommendation, learners use behaviors, suggestion relevant legal documents, improves personalization. Example: if a user frequently searches employment law, system prioritize employment related cases. Implementation and technologies. Program languages. Program languages such as Python and JavaScript. Libraries such as PyTorch, Transformers, OpenCV, GTTS, speech recognition, Gradio. Features implementation: text-based legal queries, voice-based input, multi-language translation, text-to-speech response, web-based chatbot interface. Result and performance. Performance matrices. Accuracy is 90%, precision is 93%, recall is 92%. Interference. Fast response, reliable prediction, good handling for user input. Conclusion and future work. Conclusion. The digital legal advisor successfully provides legally quick guidance, easy access to raw literary information, reduced dependency on physical consultation. It improves the machine's learning plus MLP can create user-friendly legal system. Future work. Add more